Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this freebie haul and unboxing this TRYIT box, which was also free. Going to start off with this. So this is a MAC Foundations 67 shades. And this is the sample. And this is the jar sample. Up next, going to be unboxing this TRYIT box. This is free in exchange for reviews and sharing on social media. So this is the TRYIT campaign box, which I'll put it there because I'll spoil the surprise. Snap, share and win. Chances to win stuff. So we're going to start off with this chicken breast fillets for cats. Flaked tuna fillets. This EAA orange powdered drink. Oh, this is a nice bottle. This is a bottle of After Rain lime and rose sandalwood bath and shower gel. This looks very nice. Argan. Oh, this would be nice for ASMR. Up next is, let's see what this is. This is Protein by Nature Indian Lentil Dali, ready to eat. So 20 grams of protein. Be interesting to see what this tastes like. It is vegan. The last thing in this box is some sauce. Heinz made for veggies, chili and miso sauce. Be interesting to see what this tastes like. Some recipes with this. So this is what the leaflet looks like. This is the booklet. It gives a guide on how to take pictures and different opportunities to win. Please do stay tuned. I'm going to be reviewing them in separate videos, which I'm going to be uploading soon, as well as putting it on some social media posts. And then lastly is this box. Updated forecast, dry for the bright outlook. Jude. Some sanitary towels, different sanitary panty liners. A nice pouch. More panty liners. These was from Jude. Also, there's a 10% off discount code, Jude10. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. Thank you for watching.